What's good, everyone? Give me just a second. Good morning. GM stands for good morning, right? So, okay. Well, looks like we might be just flying. We swept this low down here, tapped into this 30-minute. It's also a big 15-minute, right? We're V-shaping back up. Oh, my. How's it going, Upstate Futures? Yeah, this is just flying, dude. If we inverse the 4 hour, let's see. Oh, my, yeah. I see your vision, but this looks pretty bullish right now. Hard to take. Oh, yeah, I'm chilling. We also have pretty big news soon. But I can't lie. I'm like feeling like I would be in a mood to just long the open right now. We have inflation news, which is going to be relevant to rate cuts, I think. So, but my clock synced, bro. I don't know why it does this. So, 15 seconds till open. If this pumps, I might just have to get in. I'm kidding. I really want to, though. I'm not gonna lie. There's a ton of liquidity up here. So here's open. Let's see what happens. Ah, it's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. All this LRLR smacked, gone forever. Dude. Bro, I knew longing it open was the play, bro. Oh my god, bro. Dude. That was like a cool I don't have to trade next week entry, but oh god, rules are stupid, dude. Next time it's that obvious, we're getting in that shit. You hear me, chat? iFVGs, no iFVGs, SMTs, whatever, bro. That was mad obvious. Damn. Was what I so the 5 minute. Oh my god, what is going on, bro? Dude, hold up. okay. So now we're back inside this big 1 hour gap. Huge 1 hour gap. 2 1 hour gaps actually. See you guys tomorrow, dude, for real. That just like essentially cooked everything, bro. So the 5-minute sheets, honestly, I think you're talking about this, and I low key, I probably wouldn't take this. Wait, let me see. Actually, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Because you'd have a safe BE here, and then yeah, like you were saying, you could target this unfilled 5 because we had a major sweep and a really bullish reaction. So yeah, I could see that. Yeah, it's A plus. At first, I just didn't look well enough, but now I see. Well, it looks like we could be going to 8:30. Options play to 893. Didn't hear it from me. I knew that. I knew that would make her ears move back. What's up, Weeble? I feel like news might send us there low key. Is an option scalp a thing? Imagine. Quick little scalper Rooney. News alert long. What a pump, man. What's VIX at? VIX is low as bro, how are we gonna pump like that? We got no VIX. Dan is taking shorts. Bro, did you see what just happened? The volatility index. It just means the volatility is low, but it's probably for waiting for news. I mean, who knows? Maybe we swept a bunch of buy side just now at open because news might dump. I mean, would anyone be down with that? You hate this market right now, dude. I literally was like, I really, really want to long it open, and it just. I wish I would have, dude. I really wish I would have. It's really obvious, but obviously there was no actual model for me, so follow rules, man. It's so cool. Imagine wanting to do that, not doing it, and then being like, waiting all day and trying something and then just getting wrecked. Cool. All right, listen. We need to be checking for SMTs and here. So we do have a bearish SMT right now, technically with this 15-minute high. So I'm going to mark that out for now. Sounds like I'm taking the news dump short on my eval accounts today. Oh, God. Here he goes again, chat. He's ready to... Distraction time from Jay stressing me out. I'm excited for the duck race today. We're about to get our ducks on. Or in a row. Come on, that was pretty good. I know you guys saw it. Get our ducks in a row. I'm just here to keep you on your toes. Gee, man, thanks. You know, because these candles aren't doing that enough. You guys, I have such a funny video coming out. Episode 2, when Jay's supposed to be paper trading and doesn't. We have a giant bearish SMT, but yeah, I mean, that was a pretty bullish move. I know, dude. I was like, not on Tradeovate, bro. Like, chat, I haven't even got a chance to explain to Jay what micros are yet. He should not be doing that. 100% win rate plus. Okay, dude. We're all cooked. Oh, no. That was the word that all of us already told ourselves at one point. So we all know. Jay is my friend in real life, and we're on the path to teach him how to trade. And yesterday he took an eval play, but he was supposed to be trading paper, and it was just diabolical. Bro's getting in with minis and just being like, not even knowing how to get out. He's oh man, the video is gonna be funny today. But I couldn't make it until today because I had to wait for the stream to process. You were so stressed out. Yeah, right, bro. You were having a blast. Don't lie. Bro was feeling like he was in the rodeo. Buttons were missing. Bro, it's because it doesn't work the same on Tradeovate as it does on TradingView. On TradingView, it shows your position on the screen. You can see the money, but on Tradeovate, all it does is put a line where your entry is at. So it's that's why I was saying don't do that yet, because it's different. I got to show you how to use it. Oh man. Do we want to short this, chat? Yeah, he's watching the boot camp. We got him on Dodgy's boot camp. Very first futures trade, my pits were Niagara Falls, and I thought I was a queen winning $25. Dude, my first futures trade was a TPT 25K account, and I entered in with 3 ES minis and got wrecked in 30 seconds, and the account was gone. Yeah, I was all, What? Wait, what just happened? Just looking around all confused. Dude. Damn. So this is not a very good. I would love to try and find a setup here, but I don't like how don't have a singular gap. See how we have a 20.5 minute gap. Right above that, there's another 50.5 minute gap. So I think the best play at this point would be to. I'm gonna just wait for news, honestly. I know I've been not doing that, or I've been telling myself to ignore that lately, but dude, on a Friday, come on. We've had a solid week this week. So I guess I'm like the guy that when it gets to Friday, I'm like, man, if the rest of the week went okay, I'm almost like, why bother? But I am loaded up still. I've got my copy trades loaded, but um, chat, just if you wake up on Friday and you're feeling good about the week, don't you want to feel the same way waking up on Saturday? I know I do. Oh, I don't want to wake up tomorrow feeling like I gotta get revenge already. Oh yeah, NQ, you ruined my week on a Friday. Not give me a chance to make it back for 2 days. Fine. So, um, damn, give me a reason to take this though. I know I just said all that, but oh, Snoopy's. Oh, Dad left his shoes out. Personally, a lot of trading social media is rough. I have learned find one or two people you completely relate to and stick to that. It's something I learned the hard way. Sometimes too much information is bad too. Yeah, it's just important to find your comfort zone, you know? Like trading is a complete game of managing discomfort, right? So if your environment is uncomfortable, then you have to fight that against trading too. Like it's not ideal. So, what up, Tino? Tino, did you enter for a chance on the Lucid giveaway or not? Today's the last day. You got like an hour and a half. Not sure if you did. I think you did. You long to open, by the way. Damn it! That's what I was. That's what I wanted to do. Same for now. I'm just sticking with whatever and whoever Sano tells me to stick with. Yeah, bro. This community is always going to be locked in. I don't want this community to be ginormous. I want it to be quality. So I want a quality community, not a quantity community. How do I join the giveaway? Do you have TikTok? Um, go to my TikTok. Or wait here, I'll post it. Bro, I hate when I open that up and I have to hear my dumbass. Sale ends on Wednesday, but I got another opportunity for you. All right, go there, comment the word Lucid, and join the Discord by lunch session. 1 minute long. No. No. Maybe. No. Why, man? Because your entry is 13 points from your TP. Vid is not available? What? What you got in there? Dude, what? Cause Dan, let me just expand more on that. Because we just swept a huge amount of buy side, right? So the likelihood of us sweeping that much buy side, only retracing to this, not sweeping anything, and then coming up to just close above this and then continue higher is not the greatest probabilities. It could work, but I guess I just feel that way because I'm not the biggest fan of continuation setups. That's probably why. Because in my setup criteria for my rules, I have liquidity sweep included, so that's why. Tino, I will provide you a different one. Tino, you can also enter on that one. So like the post, comment the word Lucid, be in the Discord by 12. I'm not saying it won't work, Dan. I'm just saying I'm going to pass. Why is everyone's name colored? Because there's roles in here that people get. I have a reaction roles channel, so you can get go in there and claim your roles. In there. It was originally meant so that I didn't always have to ping everyone for stuff, but then I realized that people weren't like claiming roles, so I was like, all right. Add everyone it is. Cheers. Restricted from everything? What? Okay, well, Tino, just go comment the word Lucid on any shit. Comment the word Lucid in the stream, and I'll take it. That's fine. You're an OG, so you did? Oh, where? Oh, I see him. Damn. Surrounded by juice. Yeah, that's good momentum. Ooh, yeesh. See this? And I'm not touching this till after news, bro. 9 minutes. I know everything's bullish. It's annoying. Everything's so bullish, bro. I swear. I'm hoping that news changes that. For real. I mean, my prediction a couple weeks ago was that we'd be at all-time highs probably like by January, but obviously that'd be cool if it wasn't. See, the 3 minute was better than the 1 minute. I didn't see that. Yeah, I didn't really see that. That's my bad, guys. But honestly, it's because I'm just waiting for news, low key. But this 1 minute was just exactly. It's not good. I'm not gonna. What's up, Javi? What'd you say? 3 minute long? Oh, dude, see, I didn't see that. Dude, I'm sorry, bro. The 3 minute long was a decent confirmation setup. Yes, I didn't see that. I'm sorry. I'm just super partial to not trading yet. That's probably why I'm sorry, dude. But this big ass 30-second gap held really nicely, and it was a pretty choppy grind up. But on the 3 minute, it's a little cleaner. So yeah, that wasn't bad. Dropped the ball. I started eyeballing that short. Got distracted. Man, news legit might send us to the 893, bro. Banger options play. Dude, Javi's out here calling out plays, and I'm all out here not seeing it. Legend. Renzo! Took the 3 minute, but eval's done. Oh, wait. Took the 3 minute, but eval's done for day. Took the 3 minute, but done for day unfunded. Fire. Yeah, that was a good trade. I just don't like to make money, apparently. Following rules is better, I guess. It just depends on how confident you are in your draw. It's just a different type of setup. It's just a continuation setup rather than our normal setups. You know. So it just depends on how you personally feel about it. That's why I didn't take it and he did, because I personally want to wait for something else because I'm not the biggest fan of continuation setups, but Javi liked it, so Javi took it. And you know what, guys? Listen, that's something that is really important to understand. Like, everyone in here is their own trader. Like, whether one of us takes a play, doesn't take a play, somebody's green, somebody's red, somebody's break even, none of that means shit. Like, don't literally, when someone else takes a play, that's great, right? So just don't let it make you feel like you're not doing something right, because everyone's doing their own thing. Yeah, like that's why it's so important to kind of learn your style and the way you want to trade, because then you just kind of, once you do it long enough, you reach a point of your own comfort level where you know exactly what you're looking for, and it just makes it easier to execute. For me, I'm just like, I will rate setups, but unless I see something that legit makes me sit up out of my chair, usually I just am chill. What up, leopard? I came to say hi to Amy. Bet. Sounds good. So yeah, genuinely, um, the market moves quite a bit every day. There's millions and millions of people out there taking millions and millions of trades. So to worry that much about what someone else takes is just bad for you. Just don't do it. Get the setup you want and focus on that. It's all good. There's no time limit, right? Nobody said that we have to be done right now. No one said that you have to take this because someone else did. 1 minute till news, and this better be a candle worth a or I'm gonna. Candles be candling. Kind of. If this doji's, I'm gonna literally tweet at ICT right now and say, "Screw you and your stupid ass red folder news rules." Never looking at Forex Factory again. I'm taking what I want, whatever time I want. If I get caught out by CPI, that's on me. I'm playing. All right. Well, I mean, I guess this is a data high. I feel like the AI bubble and tariffs ruined the news. For real. All right. Well, I'm glad that's out of the way because now I'm green lighted. I've been given the green light. Dude, guys, I'm so hyped for this duck race. I don't know what else to think. And here's the thing. If you entered into the duck race, one thing that's very, very, very important for the entry, if you're not in the Discord call during the duck race, you cannot win. All right? So if you're watching on YouTube and you're in the giveaway, if you're not in the Discord, you cannot win. You have to be in the Discord for the call. So, and that'll be at 12 EST. Oh, cool. Let's just leave perfect equal highs with the data high and then chop. You have to work at one. Yeah. I'll have everything loaded up and ready to go already. So it'll just be like it'll only take a few minutes. So right at 12, literally, that's all load up. All of the entry names will be on the ducks. Dan, why are you getting so mad? Uh-oh. Outage. Dude, Project X is no go, bro. I thought I liked Project X because of the risk settings, dude, but I'd rather just like be disciplined on my own than deal with that shit. I thought I liked him a lot. I thought I liked it because of that, but dude, damn. I'd rather deal with Replicanto slippage than Project X dying 7 days out of the month. No, thank you. Man, 15-minute looks like this is about to fly. So I'd say like 8:30 would be our most modest target. 25 8:30 to look for a sweep. But then at that point, but yeah, that sucks, Dan. Bro, dare you to give me one more 30-second fair value gap. I'm kidding. give me one, give me one more 30-second fair value gap. And I'll just put a stop loss at the bottom of it. Oh man. All right, so there's 8:30. What up, Frank? Yeah, it is. Just chilling on a Friday. Oh, that was the 15-second. I was like, wait, did I just miss something? Like, no, dude, that was 15-second chart. Jeez, man. This is just flying. But like slowly. All bearish SMT's broken. Do we smack the SMT on you? Oh my. Okay, yes, for sure. Let the pump begin. Someone tell me why we can't long right here. Because I need someone to talk me out of it. Was that rhetorical? I mean, I was just trying to find a way to engage. Too high in premium because it isn't following your rules. But like money though. Till you break your rules and lose money. Exactly. I could sit here and scream that this is the most obvious draw on liquidity in the world. Does that mean that's where we're going to go? Absolutely not. It does not mean that's where we're going to go. That's why we have a model and a setup. Because we have data to back that. And Amy will beat me up if I take it. Yes. Although, knowing Amy, she's probably been in long from down here when we put in this very bottom wick. So. Nah, no trades. Internet went out, so couldn't take anything so far. Yeah, I'm also flat. I don't want to be, but I am. I only abuse him with hugs, don't worry. They're the best hugs. Probably no trades today. Maybe. So if I was gonna look for something at this point, honestly, it would be really nice if we could like put in some lows right here, manipulate up, sweep our draw on liquidity, then get an inverse down. Because other than that, I can't really see myself finding a long up here. But if we sweep a major higher time frame buy side and then get a setup for that with some targets below, I'd be interested in that. Show my Spotify Wrapped. How do I find it? Here's my Spotify. How do I find it? Profile maybe. Yeah, I don't know how to find it. How do you find that? Bro just sent me a picture of his, but didn't tell me how to find it. Does it go to your email or something? Just on phone. How do you find it on your phone? Oh, I open my phone and it says, "Your first Wrapped is ready." I guess that's how. Oh, I can't get it. Can't get it because my app's out of date. Oh, I guess if I go to this works apparently. 4 months for $0. What the hell, bro? I'm about to make a new account. Yeah, I want that too. That sounds nice. What the hell? But I'm not giving up my playlists. This is so interesting. Yuck. I'm just saying it out loud now, guys. There's no way I see anything until this high gets taken up here. So if we end up just like kind of chilling, don't be mad at me. So the 1 minute gap right here has been holding price up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Yeah, I'm not shorting. You think we're gonna go down now? We might get a retrace right now, but I'm still bullish. So and there's no entries here. Bearish SMT. Where? I don't see one. Is it on the lower time frame? Four-hour. No. Oh, it's the same high right here. 893. Well, it was taken a while ago though. That's like old. So that's an old SMT. It's not relevant anymore since we have all these highs that got put in since then. But this is good, right? Put in some lows right here. Get something like that. So I'm totally fine with waiting for something like that. Insane AMD. .30 second. Yeah, for real. Didn't even inverse. Okay, but I'm glad we're actually getting some movement, so that's good. Now, if we're gonna try and look for a long instead, then obviously it would be better if we did something like this, right? Generate some more buy side right here, manipulate down, sweep a low, tap into a fair value gap, and then get a long back up to continue to our DOL. Would you take it if we get a good momentum candle? No. Ooh, did that hold again? No, it barely inversed there. So the 30-second technically did inverse there, but yeah. You're in? Get it. Five-minute inverse, if I'm understanding this correctly. No. You mean for a short or a long? Which direction are you thinking? Short? Okay, well then, yeah, look here. There's a 5-minute short here. See? So I guess you're right, yeah. Close below this gap, but there's also another 5-minute right here. So 'Why so many doji? DOJI, I think. Why so many dojis on the 15 second? Because price sucks right now. Holy bad reaction. Another L. It's all right. Who you got in Big Ten championship? I probably OSU, dude. Yeah, I'm not a fan really of either, but yeah, go Hoosiers. Uh, Dan, is there anything you learned from that? Because you have to give yourself some sort of feedback besides your emotions, because you have to find a way to grow from it. So don't focus on how you feel. Take a second and pause and just go over your trade real quick and give yourself feedback and think about what you could have done better. Dream scenario right now is probably generate buy side, manipulate down, and get a retrace long. Or generate sell side, pump this DOL, get a short down. So I would love to short after taking 893, but I would also like to long to target 893, but just not here, right? After pumping up like this, dude, after pumping up this much, we haven't taken any sort of sell side in 200 points, right? We didn't even take sell side down here. It's been almost 300 points since we've taken any sell side, right? So if I want to try and look for a long, I need a little bit at least, like even these lows right here, right? Like if we're bullish enough, I would take a sweep of these lows right here even. That'd be all right. Tap into this 2 minute, right? So generate some buy side like this, LRLR above, manipulate down, sweep something, deliver out of 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute, 15 minute, because there is a 15 minute down here too. 30 minute. So we ooh. There we go. There we go. We tap into this 30 minute and get along. I'm game. I'm game. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. And on a Friday, after a decent week, I probably won't end up taking anything else other than a dream scenario. First red week, bad week, but they're going to happen, bro. Luke Fickle's daughter plays volleyball at Indiana. Fun fact. Yo, shout out to Eddie. My day would be like way incomplete if I didn't get that info this morning. So, Eddie, are you in the flex giveaway? Did you enter the flex giveaway? Did you just have a different name than Dude, I'm gonna have to write all these comments down. Who even is Luke Fickle? Look-key, I don't know who that is. Yash. This is funny, man. I feel like some of these people that aren't. Oh, Wisconsin's head coach. Oh, I feel like some of these people aren't going to be in here that are in the comment section, and they're not going to end up winning. Everything keep bouncing off 25,828. Weird thing I'm noticing right now. I know it probably ain't relevant. So that's right, because we keep tapping into this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. That's why. So this gap is currently supporting price up. So we bounce, bounce, bounce. That's why we keep bouncing at that level. Because we're tapping into this 5-minute bullish gap. Bro, I know it feels like shit, bro. Like, I'm not going to sit here and try and tell you not to feel like shit. I know it feels like shit, but there's literally nothing you can do, bro. You need to study your setups and go over your trades this week and figure out what you did wrong and note it. And then you have to move on, bro. So if it went into that gap, would a long be a good play? There are people that do trade that way, but it's just not how most of us do. Jay. But, you know, dude, bro, listen, Jay. I'm just here to teach the way I trade. If it's always good to figure out what works for you. If you see things, you know, the problem is I see things that I think would work all the freaking time, but I haven't been trading long enough to have data to support any of it other than iFVGs. So that's why I'm so gung ho on like, I'll just follow my exact model and I won't touch the button other than that because I have data to support that that works for me. So there's tons of other ways to trade, but all I can do is teach the way I trade because that's what I do. So, but definitely like pay attention to everything, bro. You know, watch everything because if you find something that works for you better than the way we trade, then that's good. Whatever works. Yes, but trading eval for 2 months, yeah, bro, you're gonna be trading them for longer than that. I've been trading evals for 17 months. Yeah, some of them are funded, but I still trade evals too. So that's just gonna be a thing. Like we all have evals still, bro. I've been beaten down for you. Okay, Sean. Listen, I hate to say it. I really hate to say this, but if you want to learn how to adapt to be the best trader you can be, you got to get used to being disappointed. Like, it's just inevitable. In trading, you will have days and weeks where you are disappointed, period. Like, that's just how it is. You'll be fine, bro. This job is so hard, you guys. This job is so hard, dude. Even when you learn how to trade finally, you still have to learn yourself too. It's like, all right, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. You have a request? Backtesting streams? Dude. Boo. I will not lose time with the hubs for backtesting. I know it. I'm so bad at it anyway, man. Bro said fine. Way to ruin my hopes and dreams. It's harder to gauge candles beyond pattern recognition. Yeah, I hate not being able to see the way they print. That's my problem. They just appear. You don't see like the way they printed. Okay, so look, this is what we've been talking about. See how we're generating a bunch of lows, right? We're also generating buy side, so backtesting is great when you're new. The 1 min missed the 828 mark by 1 point. I was so ready to get in. LOL. On paper only? Yeah. I figured. But watch what's going to happen next time we tap down there and it shoots through that gap. Because that's what I think is going to happen. Bro. So we're kind of V-shaping this 5 minute. There's another 5 minute below. But I'm looking for a long. So Yeah, we left really nice liquidity above just now. I took a stab at this after we got the S&T at the high. What, shorting sheets? Yeah, to these unfilled gaps below, possibly. Fire. Yeah, we just tapped into a 15-minute here. Went BE after the swing lows there. 15 minutes there. Good shit, man. Bro's feeling it. Bro's feeling it. Get that money, sheets. Wrist like we talk about and just letting it ride now. Good shit, dude. 2 minute? Where? Oh, you're talking about his trade? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you took the 2 minute? Nice, dude. Let's go, sheets. Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's when we got the SMT here. Wait, do we have an SMT here? Oh, we do. Bro, I didn't even see that. So we do have an SMT here at the top. I'm so like stuck on waiting for a long that I did not even see that, bro. Wonder if we are gonna V-shape both these 5 minutes. Sheets short is printing, dude. Get it. Yeah, we have this big hourly over here. See how this hourly's been holding us down a lot. So this time, we wicked way above it, but now looks like we're closing back inside. So yeah, I would love if we could come sweep these lows down here. Two L's, one win. There you go. Is this 30-second right here? Trying this 30-second.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm BE there. I felt like it was kind of rushed, so cooked myself again, bro. Damn it, dude. It's all good. Just tapped into this 30-second gap, rejecting, so I'm all right. I would have for sure gotten bead right there anyway. It wasn't the cleanest setup, but like there was good momentum, so I kind of thought, all right, maybe this just rips then. But it kind of didn't, so that's why I went B. I was hoping for a little bit more of a retrace than that, honestly. So BE saved me. That would have been my stop loss. Yep. That for sure would have been my stop loss. Yep. As soon as I got in and we just put in two dojis back to back, I was like, dude, all right. Like I realized I was not sticking to my original plan, which was to wait for these lows. So I was like, you know what? I should get out of this. Yeah, I took this 30-second, but I went break even really fast because I kind of rushed it, and I'm glad I did because I would have been stopped out. It was mid. I mean, I was like, I'll give it a chance for it to just pump, and if not, kind of waiting for the 1 hour to close. Just tapped into this last little 30-second down here. I really want us to take these lows, bro. Okay. Almost gonna tap into this 30-minute, which is what I've been looking for. There's the 30-minute. Swept these lows, tap the 30-minute. Yeah. Left equal lows. This is actually starting to look a little more bearish, to be honest. Okay, so I like that we put in this little ITH right here. Damn, man. What? What do you mean? Oh, the 15-minute? Well, there's a 15-minute here. But we're already blasting way through it. But now we're in this big 30-minute. Dude, if this 30-minute inverse is down, this might flush. Do you guys see this? Look at all this LRR down here. One minute going crazy right now. To 414. Oh, man. Where's my... Dude, damn, this is crazy. What up? Mm, yeah. That's where I thought we were going to go to, but the 1 minute, uh, yeah. So there is a 1 minute here. There's not really an SMT or anything, but we do have a sweep. Delivery out of this last 1 minute here. And the 30 minute. But it's kind of it does run right into a 5 minute. Mm-hmm. Damn. I need some water. Not yet. Okay. Thank you. Damn, chat. I think I smacking my coffee too fast, bro. I'm all jittery. Papa's in. Gotcha. Bro, I'm like really jittery. Holy. I'm like shaking. This sucks. It's just because I'm so nervous, you guys. It usually happens when I just press buttons. I thought, oh man, we got all kinds of accusations going on. Rocket League called out for not eating. Bruh. Yeah, I really like the LRLR to the downside. There's a bunch. Yeah, me neither. I see the vision on the 30-minute, but there's a lot more gaps down below here in this 5-minute. There's like 3 15-minute gaps, including a 15-minute BPR. So no, stop waiting for stuff next week. We're all here right now. Come on. We're all here to full port. Exactly. It's already blown, so no point. Rip. My love, my mom just messaged me and was like, I don't know. I'm struggling to figure out what to get the girls for Christmas, and was like, I was thinking about a TV for their room, but wasn't sure if you wanted that. And I was all, hell no, I don't want that. Wait, we do want that? Oh, shit. Say, wait, never mind. Amy just said we do want that, apparently. And then they don't take the office. Yeah, that's true. It's got to be one that has like feet though, because we can't wall mount it. Yeah, they end up. One of them uses my laptop, the other one's on my computer, and then I'm like, I can't come in here and make videos or anything because they're on shit. Okay, I like how we're leaving these relative equal highs here, right? So if we came down, swept this low even, I would for sure take that. Dude, there's a bunch. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to get these names put in. This is funny, bro. Some of these names on here, I know for a fact they're not going to end up being in here. We got 25 people. We got 25 people on the giveaway thing. Thank you, sir. We got 6 from TikTok. 17 from YouTube and 2 from Instagram. Yep. We got a bunch of fire gear. Man, we're leaving such good buy side right here. All this, all this. Come up to the daily gap. Up here. Yeah. See, that's right where our DOL is. Yeah, what he said. Okay, so I'm watching for a sweep of this now. I'll tell you what. Gold got smacked. Dude, let's see. What the? Oh, yikes. Damn. Have you seen this before? What? Like the chart? You took this? Dude, that's a banger. Made my L's for the day and a bit green. Nice. Very nice, sir. Love to see it. Took 30 second long to the dead highs after 10. No, I took this really crappy 30 second, realized how bad it was, and went BE as soon as I could and got out BE. As soon as NQ starts to chop, you need to check gold. Yeah. Do we get an SMT here? No. Yeah, I mean, it looked okay. I just, I set myself like conditions I'd rather see and didn't wait. And that's what kind of bothered me. Because I was like, I want to wait for at least these. And then, whoa. 1 minute looks like AMD, and we got a SMT or not? No, not an SMT yet. But you would think since we did inverse this last 1 minute gap down here that we would be taking this low. So I think I'm gonna wait to see if we get that. Later, Tito. Giveaway starts in 40 minutes. So make sure you come back. Bro, just sweep this damn low already. I know. Definitely looking sell model-y. I like it. Even though I'm partial to longs, I'm like, hey, if you want to dump though, you totally can. Like I want to take a long, but if you want to keep grinding down, I'm cool. Go ahead. None of us want all-time highs, so I'm cool with it. Mm-hmm. Man, if we're refusing to sweep this low and we get this 1 minute, I might have to just try that. Kind of tough without the sweep and no SMT. Yeah, I agree. But the thing is sometimes if the bias is strong enough, we don't always need it. So we might not have swept this, but we did put in this little ITL and come down and sweep that. We put in this little ITL, came down and sweep that. We have delivery. Waiting for the 5. Yeah, the 5 looks good too. 5 probably looks a little better, but I like the 1 because I can visually see a solid break-even point here. So the 1 minute inverse, and I apparently am not getting in because I just sat here, so that must be a sign. You're in the 1 minute right now. So seems like it was probably a good decision to wait for the low. Also, the 5-minute held. So we'll see. I mean, it's nice if we do come down for the low now because we're putting in even more buy side. So this looks good now. It's also a 2-minute. It's right there, the 2-minute inversed. B. Yeah. You're allergic to winning on eval. So we just kind of swept these little highs and tapped into this 30-second gap. And then there's this below. So we're definitely respecting bearish PD arrays a lot more. I think we want to sweep these lows. No, not really. There was this little 30-second that I was looking at, but it's already gone way down. Oh, yeah, there was a 2-minute because we put in an SMT and there was this 2-minute right here. That's what Sheets took. For real. Still no SMT or anything. Kind of just engineering. About to be the 30-minute close. There's a 30-minute close. Didn't inverse the 30-minute, but yeah. Definitely there was like a 4 hour and hourly high swept by both this morning, so I was kind of just waiting to see if we hit 693 or 893 because we were so close. I mean, it all matters really. So 2 for 2 on trades today. Good shit. Okay, so there's that low. Now the question is, does this want to turn around or does this want to dump? That's what I'm curious of. We have a ton of LRLR down here, bro. It's crazy. Hourly looks like it wants to dump. Just hit CE of this 4 hour. Yeah, this 4 hour gap's been holding us up a lot. $30 here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Bro, I am rushing my shit so much right now, you guys. I need to chill, dude. Like, I don't know why I'm doing that. 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 I don't know why I'm do I'm like settling for shit that I don't actually like a lot. Probably be okay with my win and fuck off. Yeah. I know I'm BE twice now because I've rushed into trades twice now, and it's like, bro, chill. You're doing the same? Yeah. I'm catching myself doing it, and I don't like it. But I like longs from here. Probably just wait and see if we get this 2 minute, maybe. Perfect spot for a bounce, but no crazy reaction. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm thinking is like we should bounce from here, but it's not acting like it wants to just yet. Yeah. If it's not bouncing, it's not bouncing. Exactly. Can't force it. Yeah, and that's what I was trying to do. So I'm gonna chill out a little bit. 5 minute down. Yeah, I could see that. I bet we end up manipulating this low one more time. It's a cluster of 15-minute. Yeah, that's exactly why I've been hesitant to short, is because all these 15-minute gaps down here. There's so many. I am also just a random guy on the internet. But you got to fire Adidas hat. I don't. Dang. Like if there was ever a valid reason for something, that was it right there. The hat. JB going crazy. How long should we do the duck race for this time? I gotta stretch, bro. Uh, no, I cross trade. So my bigger accounts that are over the buffer, I use minis, and then everything else is half that. So the rest of them trade M and Q. Yeah, I do. I just execute from the leader that's on NQ, but it cross orders to M and Q on the other accounts that I want. Mm-hmm. So it's like this, and you just set the ratio. For sure. Thanks, man. While we're kind of waiting for a setup, quick reminder: 40% off Lucid Flex ends tonight. So don't forget. They will be getting my money. And then hopefully I'll be getting their money. Exactly. That's what Nate did. Who's in here waiting for the duck race? Yeah. Where we at, chat? Who's in here for the duck race? Me, you need extra lucids? Bro. And I know that I said you had to like and comment on the post, but honestly, if you guys are in the VC, we can, that's fine. So I'll do like a ping and say giveaways starting soon. And then problem is I don't know if some people's usernames are like the same. It's a duck race. I put everyone's names on these little ducks, and then they race through the pond, and that's the giveaway winner. So YM took NYLO. It looks like this, Kyoshi. So I got everyone's names. There's 25 names in here. I'll probably have to add some more when people join, but so there's Smooth Operator. Renzo, I don't think I put your name on here. I will. Renzo. Tanya. Eddie. Frank. Eddie, is your Eddie? is your name? Did you comment on any of the posts? I don't want to put your name in here twice, bro. I'm not trying to double your odds. What posts? I'm new here. Okay, then I'll put you in. Eddie. Dude, chat. Ain't no way Jay just joined in here with 2 Discord accounts to try and double his odds, bro. YNT, you didn't comment on the post, did you? But you're in here though, right? I just don't want to put your name on here. You did? Okay, well then I'm not gonna. I don't know what your username is, so. Mr. Fahrenheit needs to be in here, but it's gonna be Mr. F because I can't spell that. I think that's it. You just want to win the race. Second place can have the account. We are starting to push up now. Just tapped into this little 1 minute gap. It's a 2 minute gap that I was watching for a setup. Sean, yeah, you're on there. So here in about 10 minutes, I'll do a ping that we're going to start in 5 minutes. Okay. So we kind of just swept these highs, right? In this FVG, we have LRLR below. There's this little 30-second gap. Okay, it's just gonna. Okay. Well, the 30-second could work. To this low. But I'm chilling. We already put in a low down here, so. Coming up on macro time. Here in a couple minutes. Price is kind of starting to wow out a little bit. Can't lie. Almost lunchtime, which means it's almost racing time. I don't know why, but I really want this 2-minute, dude. Something like that. But we also are like, it looks pretty cell model-y at the moment, so I'm kind of torn. So probably we'll move on from that setup unless we just get some crazy candle over it. Because if we get the inverse now, we can pair an order block with it. Because we have all this. Yeah, Fridays are weird. So like, I'm surprised that I've pressed the button twice today. To be honest, like that's mind blowing to me that I have pressed the button twice today. I normally do not trade Fridays. I just don't like to. But I thought today would be good because all the news, and so I was like, well, I'm gonna get loaded up. Get loaded up and ready. 30-second long, and what was the other one? This 1 minute long right here. Oh wait, no, it wasn't that. I don't know what it was. Oh, it was this 30-second down here. Really bad. Oh, it's really hard to wait 30 seconds for this close, bro. 'Cause I don't want this to hit RBE before we can get in. But we gotta follow the model.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
No way.
Order submitted.
Dude, I'm re-entering.
Order submitted.
Okay, that's my original break even, where I should have just stuck to begin with. I'm just gonna try and let this go. 7:59, hopefully. That's all I'm aiming for. Tap into this FVG. Might trail, maybe? All right, we're out there. Type freaking 1, man. Type freaking 1, man. I'm just kidding. I don't care if you took it or not. Just type 1. I'm just kidding. Can we say a prayer for 785 for me to pass this eval? All right, give me a sec. Lord, I know sometimes NQ be playing absolute mad dog games with us, but my boy Sean is loyal to the soil, and I really want him to pass this eval. So I know it seems silly to be asking for this, but I love you as much as you love us. So go ahead and just come through for the man. Amen. Yeah, fire exit. He, I don't. I think he's against the prayer, bro. He's all no. Thank you, baby. Bro, I was trying to help. I mean, we just tapped this 2-minute, you know, it should be all right. Did you get BE'd or are you still in? You're BE'd? Damn. Well, we got to catch a trade before we do the giveaway, so. Dude, that was so bad. I can't believe I just went full prayer mode and it just reversed like that. That's got to be a clip, dude. So if I entered with 2 minis, my stop is inside the gap. Every time I've done that, I've blown evals, so I don't. But if I did this time, listen, here's something that you need to do, that you absolutely need to do. And it's really, really hard. But what you need to do is disconnect every single trade from the ones before it. You can't relate the next trade to the ones that happened before that. Like you could say, oh, well, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Well, that's because that's the market. So all you can do is just stick to your model and execute it the best you can. So if you start thinking that you have to adjust your rules and stuff for every little fluctuation in data, it's going to get in your head a lot. So try and find ways to be as mechanical as possible, if that makes sense. What up, Sweaty? Oh, Sweaty's here. We got to add another to the It's a little confusing that it shows 31 names in the list and there's not nearly that many people in here, so that's interesting. But bro, I don't remember the last time I've taken that many trades in a day, to be honest. Holy. I might have been a little stubborn on that re-entry, bro, but the reason I re-entered is because I told myself when I got in not to go break even until the certain point. And I went break even before that and got break even and was like, bro, don't do this to yourself again. Like that's what I was telling myself because I've been going BE way too fast sometimes. Like on that one, that setup, the other setups I took, it made sense to go BE quick because I didn't have that much confidence in them. But I said how badly I wanted the 2-minute, right? So I waited for the 2-minute. Then I said, here, I even put it on the screen. Here would be my BE. And I went BE 4 points too soon, and it BE'd me for that. And I'm like, bro, so I was like, I'm not gonna, no, I'm not doing that again. So that's why I re-entered. I can't believe it didn't hit 767. Yeah, I thought it would, but dude, so listen, and this is why I've been doing this. This is why where I think we're gonna hit, I will take the next swing before that instead because NQ just be doing that. Like that's why I take these first exits because wherever I think my main TP should be, I'm all okay. What's a closer one? we'll, we'll take that instead because I don't want to be part of the game plan that NQ does. So if I got to do 25, 26 point scalps every day to make it work, I don't care. 25 points is plenty. But, all right. Oh, wait. We got some more people in here. Adger. All right. After I put Adger's name in, the list is locking. All right. Alex, add me, please. Are you able to join Discord, Alex? I'll put you in here, but you got to be able to join the Discord too. And if okay, because I'm telling you guys right now, I don't want to have to like go and try and track people down in comments sections like, hey, you won, DM me. That's why in the post I specifically was like, you got to join the Discord to win it, because yeah, I don't want to have to like track everybody down. So you're in the Discord? Bet. All right. How many minutes should we run this for? 2, 3? There's a lot of names, so it might be entertaining if we do like 2 or 3 minutes. What do you think? 3 minutes? Chill. 3? Yeah, I think 3 is good. Can you guys see the ducks? Okay. 300. Set. Dude, look at all these ducks. Holy shit. All right. Oh wait, you guys need the sound. You guys need the sound. You get the duck audio there? Can't tell if mine's wearing a tuxedo t-shirt or not. Oh, Frank is pushing up too soon. Wait, Frank got a wig on. Mr. Fahrenheit's got a nice hat, he says. Let's see. Speed it up, buddy. Who won the last? So the last 2 winners were Frank's, right? Frank's won one. Ignacio won the last one. Frank's won before that. Oh, and Fernando won. So those have been the 3 giveaway winners so far. So we'll see how lucky they are if they get another one or not. Sean's creeping up. We got Hustle iFVG. Oh, and if somebody wins that's not in here, we may have to re-race. So hopefully the winner's in the call. Mr. Fahrenheit's got the blue beanie on. X? Wait, X is pushing up? Yo, the clown costume. The clown costume pushing him. Bro, there's 30 names in here. There's 19 people in this call. That's crazy. I should have locked the list and then just took everyone's names that weren't in the VC out. Huh. I feel like only VC people should be able to win this. Give the... No, Mr. Fahrenheit. We're sober around here. We don't do that. Go. Oh, wait, I'm the best ever. Who's I'm the best ever? Are you in this call? Who's official home panda? That's what I'm saying. Where are they at? Man, if the winner of this is not in this call, man. No, Fahrenheit. I'm blowing my screen. Go. Starting to get some separation. Who we got? Hobby's being steady. Oh, Adger? Wait, Nate. Bro, Nate. No way. Nate's maxed out. Nate don't have room for accounts. Come on. Nate's got 5 already. What the hell? Good shit, Nate. I'll send you your code after. So Nate wins a 25K Lucid Flex account. Good shit. Match fixing, everyone saw it. I know. I pushed a button over here, and then all of a sudden Nate's duck just started zooming. All right, you guys. We've been live for almost 3 hours. We caught a win. I'm not doing PM stream today. That's it for the week, you guys. I will lock in and see y'all next week. Thank you guys for joining. That's so much fun. Órale vamos, Ignacio. Later.